So a lot has been happening in Prodigy lately, and I am going to be talking about a lot of them today, and I'll probably have a lot of premieres today. Now, so the first one we're going to be talking about in this video is actually the pet merging, and I'm going to be showing you how it works, and maybe some tips and stuff to how to merge them faster. Now, so how this basically works is that you have pets to merge with each other, and certain pets have certain like how do I put it, like certain merge requirements, I would say. So taking a look at this pet, if we take a look at Shiver Tusk, I previously had a lot of Shiver Tusk, and I could merge them like this. Now, since Shiver Tusk is an one evolution pet, you need two of the same. For level 4 at least, you need two of the same pets to merge into level 5. Each level gives more and more bonus stats to the point where my Shiver Test has 1,300 health. Now taking a look at my Ember Shed, on the other hand, I had a lot of these since I caught these back in the day, and at merge level 6 it has a whopping 1,400 health with art charge levels. And with charge levels, this guy has 1,700 health, which is absolutely broken. I don't exactly know how Prodigy could make this so broken. 1,700 health, that's I don't know. So a little example here. We're going to look at this Illuma case. How does the Jester Cap give 114? Now I think these things got a buff. This Jester's hat is actually really good now. I'm not sure. This, I don't know what happened with pet gear. It got changed. A lot of these things are just really buffed now, like the gemstone pendant. I don't know what happened there. Alright, so when we click the merge button, we have another level 1 Luma case to merge this guy with. We can merge it, and since we merged it, we got level 1 now, and with bonus stats. If we try merging again, we have to use another level 1 Illuma case. I'm not sure why I have so many of those, to get the levels up. Now, we're gonna have to use another Illuma case here. This one's level 6. We get higher and higher levels, and we're gonna have to use another Illuma case. I'm not sure why I have such low level Illuma cases, but we're merging them. And we're gonna merge one more. Oh no, I don't have another Illuma case. Alright, that's alright, okay? We have a level 4 Illuma case here, and as you can see, with charge levels, this guy is practically better than my Galaxy, bro. Like, what are those stats? What am I looking at right now? Alright, as if right now this guy is probably better than my Red Galaxy, because my Red Galaxy does not... I don't have multiple Red Galaxies, and I don't have Cometis, so I can't merge them. Now we're gonna merge Tie Scout, because I think Tie Scout had a good potential until Whirlwind got nerfed, which I'm going to make a video about later, because that is not okay. That is not okay. They cannot just do that. They cannot nerf Whirlwind like that. But I will make a video about the new spells and whatever spell changes there are later. But overall, that is not okay. We cannot just do that to Whirlwinds. That's just... I don't know what to think of that anymore. So we have two Tiny Girls. I caught these in the past. We merge them. It only doesn't need to be level 100. It honestly only... oh no, alright, we're gonna merge these. That's not a great... I feel like Tie Scout isn't great anymore. Anyway, yeah, I don't have no Tie Scouts left because Whirlwind got nerfed. 708 health, it's solid, but we don't have Whirlwind, so there's kind of no point. And I can't merge my Red Galaxy. I have no Cometis, bro. Like, it's honestly really sad. I have no Cometis. I mean, if you want me to, I can go grind the Dragon Isle later to get more Cometis. But as of right now, I can't merge my Red Galaxy, and he's gonna have to. My Galaxy's gonna not good anymore. Now, just for fun, I want to see how high we can actually get. Dubs for dub car, bro. Dub car is my bounty truckle. So we're gonna see how high of a level we can get with these truckles. Since I have caught a lot of truckles in the past, I believe I can at least get them to 3. Yeah, I'm merging these. Mall Rush is over. I like dub car because he's a dub. Dub car's a dub, bro. Dubs for dub car in the comments. Alright. Another one. Bang, level 3. And I hope we can go level 4. Yeah, I think, yeah, we can. Level 4. And the max level is 6 if you guys are wondering. Alright. Oh, no more truckles. Alright. 4 is pretty good. 1106 speed, which is broken. And lastly, I'm gonna merge a few Coldos because I like Coldo. Coldo's a very good pet, especially in Dragon Isle. And my Dragon Isle is very, very important when it comes to leveling up these pets, because that's actually where you get most of the stuff you need from. We're merging all these Coldos here. I have 1000 speed, is crazy. And we have no more Coldos. So in terms of actually how to get these things easily, it really comes down to like the Dragon Isle. It's just the Dragon Isle. You need to catch lots and lots of pets here. You need de-evolved pets. Remember that. You need de-evolved pets too. It does not matter if they are level 20. You need de-evolved pets. That is what you need to evolve most of these things. And how did I get my Ember Shed to 6? I don't know. But you need de-evolved pets, alright? That is the most important thing when you actually look at that. And now our Galaxy's Uberta because of this update. I don't know what happened to physical. I don't know what pet merging is that much well yet, but I kind of feel like I want to bully people today. I kind of want to bully people today, and now Body Slam got ruined too. What is this, bro? What? Okay, I guess the Time Power Katana got buffed again. I am actually gonna lose it, bro. They nerfed the Crystalline Torch, bro. Oh my god, what is this update? Alright, anyway, as I said, I feel like bullying people today. So I'm gonna bully them with my Ember Shed. I don't know if that'll be a good idea or not. I might instantly regret it by getting cooked by someone with the 6th evolved pet. But my Ember Shed right now is good, bro. My Ember Shed is good. How much health do these guys have? 1,200. I have 1,800, bro. You ain't killing me. Oh my god, what is this? Alright. I think my Ember Shed might be one of my best pets right now because I only have, like, I mean, my member mimic has 1,000 health, but like, wow, these are high level pets. Alright. This guy's level 139 too, that's the best part. You can't kill me, bro. You think, what? Alright. See, now Chomp and those spells, I think they reduce power, but they also have no, that now, so like, we're gonna try this. Oh my god, I think oh my god, what is, okay. I'm pretty sure it's this Ember, wait, I have to do it, crunch, bang, oh my god, oh my, okay. And now Wizard has no speed now because these guys just have more speed. Oh my god, Uberta. Oh my, what is this update? Oh my god. I don't know what to say anymore. This update is crazy. I have mixed opinions about it. What? More speed than my Ember Shed? Alright, bro. I mean, you ain't gonna kill me anyway. My Ember Shed's still 1,600. I mean, I feel like I can get there are some pets I can get to 2,000 health, which is it's just broken at that point. Alright, you know what? We're gonna do Chomp. I mean, it's what you expect, 999. I mean, that's just broken at that point. I just bully people with my Ember Shed now. Alright, oh my god. I guess that catching all those Ember Sheds in the past did pay off. Alright. So with that, that's gonna be the end of this video. This update is, I don't know what happened to this update. It's so broken in a good way. I feel like there's a lot of mixed opinions going around about this update. I personally think it's a pretty good update. It gets people actually wanting to catch low level pets, so yeah. With that, that's the end of this video, and see you in the next one.